Want me to start?
Yeah.
We're still out there working in the yard and still working on making the videos.
But I'm KJ. This is Casey.
Did you actually want to introduce yourself?
Maybe.
Maybe. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. I'm Casey.
I'm KJ.
And I don't have a video going up this week for yard work. I'm still out there working on the yard, so nothing to show just yet. But I wanted to go ahead and upload a video this week anyways, and I actually made this video like 2 years ago for a different channel, and I decided to go ahead and re-upload it here. So it's a little bit different than what I upload on this channel typically, but if you like that type of style, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. And again, thank you so much for watching. And again, thank you so much for watching the video, and if you like this type of content, go ahead and subscribe and like the video. We really do appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next video. I've always wanted to be good at telling stories, and I think it's because my dad always knows how to tell a story. It might just be because he waves his hands around a lot, or maybe he just knows how to tell a tall tale in just the right ways. I'm not sure, but you know, I've never really been able to tell a story as good as him. I think that's kind of why I wanted to try and tell you guys a story. But after watching the video or the story that I tried to tell, I realized that, you know, maybe I'm not as good as telling stories as I thought, and I should probably rethink things, maybe pivot in a different direction. Doesn't seem very smooth. Because even though I am really bad at telling stories, there is a story to tell. She was giving me crap because I never mentioned why we were taking photos of cattails, but Kylie here has been asked to take some photos for her dad's fiance's massage parlor, so hopefully we get some good results for her. So it was a Saturday, and my girlfriend Kylie and I were tasked with finding the perfect cattail picture. And well, I was more excited about telling the story of us trying to take the perfect cattail picture.
Not just cattails, I want the experience.
You want the experience. And you know, she was right, as she usually is. It was about the experience. I should have been focusing on the time that we were spending together, out taking photos on a beautiful Saturday.
Fix that, you know? It's not good. What am I doing wrong?
Whatever you want to do, babe. It's your photo.
Look at the building in the background. We did. Amateur stuff, babe. We got the building in the background.
And so we needed to find a better environment, better background, a better all-around cattail picture. And you know, just where we currently were in the state of Utah wasn't really giving us many options. And so Kylie pulled out her phone and she just started like Googling Utah cattail photos, and she found a photo that she really liked. And we really didn't really have any idea where it was. It just gave some vague locational term, and Kylie was like, we need to go drive out to this place that's about an hour away so we could try and get this cattail photo. And I mean, I tried to talk her out of it, but she was determined to get the best cattail photo, so off we went. So after driving for about an hour, we were able to find some cattails. And not just a few, we found quite a few of them all around this lake. Alright, babe, so the $1 million question, was it worth the drive? It was? So, what's the point? Why am I taking the time to pull out all this video footage that I've had sitting around for 4 months and decide to actually put something together with it? And you know, it's because, one, there was a really good story to tell. Even though I might not have been the best storyteller, that's a story worth sharing, because my content didn't turn out very good, but my girlfriend, who was focused on actually taking photos and experiencing the beauty that they had to provide for us, got some really amazing results. So right now, Kylie here's trying to get a photo of some birds on cattails, but they don't seem to be staying very long, but they're definitely landing on the cattails, so hopefully she can get a good snap in there. So if I have to end it somewhere, I think that's where I'm going to end it. Just look for the beauty in your adventures, I guess.
Been busy editing, but hey, let's update you. Bus pad, tear up, boom. This one we haven't even started filming. Started it tonight under the deck. Oh my goodness, was it a mess. Sprinkler Guru is currently finishing this line also. Did we fill it in? Did we fill it in? Show him, come on, yeah! Yeah, we filled it in. It looks so good. I love you girls. I love you, PJ. Alright. I'm coming back, don't worry. Happy dogs, happy dogs, happy dogs. I'm glad I got that on camera.